Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up a theme for your blog. Let's go to the dashboard. And from here, we will head over to the settings. Here you can see the themes section. Now click on it and you will find all the themes with the preview. By default, Blogo will be the default one that is activated on all the newly created blogs. Now, if you want to change the look and feel, you can switch to any other themes from here. Let's say if you want to use this one, just click on it and you'll be able to see all the features of this theme. And even there is a demo associated to it, which can be seen from here. Now, if I click on activate, it should activate the theme on my blog. The theme is activated. Let's have a look at our blog. So this is the blog that we have. Here you can see the first few posts are on a 2-column layout, whereas after that we have a 3-column layout. Now, if we get back to the dashboard again, let's switch to a different theme, maybe this one. And now if we refresh the page, we should be able to see the newly updated layout. So this is how themes work, and you can choose whatever theme you like from the themes section.